In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create website using Google AI Studio. To get started, open your browser and search for Google AI Studio. Once the search results appear, click on Google AI Studio to open the platform. This is where you can use Google's AI tools to help generate a website quickly, even if you're starting from a simple idea or a prepared prompt. After you arrive on the site, click on Start Building. This will take you into the workspace where you can begin creating your project. From here, you'll see an area where you can type in a prompt or paste a finished prompt. This prompt is important because it tells the AI what kind of website you want to create. Try to be clear and specific so the result matches your goal as closely as possible. Once your prompt is ready, click on Settings. In the Settings panel, choose the latest model available. Using the latest model can help improve the quality of the output and may give you better results when generating your website. Next, look for the framework option and click on it. From the available framework choices, select Next.js. This step matters because it tells the platform what kind of website structure and development setup to use. Next. JS is a popular option for modern websites, so it's a solid choice if you want a clean and capable starting point. After that, click on Control. Once you do, wait for the AI to generate the website for you. Depending on the complexity of your prompt, this may take a little time, so give it a moment to finish processing. When the website is done, you can review the result and make manual edits if needed. That means you're not locked into the first version the AI creates. You can refine the layout, adjust the content, and improve the overall design after generation. And that's how to create a website using Google AI Studio.